This is a very quick video to show you how to add and subtract dimensions and help you out with the worksheet that's posted in this module. So when you're adding and subtracting dimensions, there are several different ways of doing this. When you're adding dimensions, let's say 6'4" plus 13'10", if you add up all the numbers in this column, you line them up just like we would in adding any numbers, and you find out that how many inches that you have in this row. So let's say for every 1 foot there are 12 inches. So in this case there are 14 inches. So I'll be able to convert that to 1 foot 12 inches because, or 1 foot 2 inches because there are 12 inches in a foot. So then I take and I put the 2 down here and I put the 1 at the top over here. Now I can add these columns and find out that we have 20 foot 2. Now subtracting is a little bit harder because you have to kind of borrow like we did when we were kids, right? So if you're taking 28 foot 0 and you're subtracting 17 foot 2, you don't have enough here at the top, and so we'll take a whole foot out. So we'll take 1 foot out of this 28, making it 27, and then that 1 foot becomes 12 inches. Now that we have 12 inches, we can subtract the 12 inches minus the 2 inches and find 10 inches. And then over here we have 27 feet minus 17 feet for 10 feet. Then also when we talk about total area, we're talking about length times width of your entire plan. So you'll take the overall length of the building and the overall width and multiply those two to find that answer. And then the perimeter would be just adding up all 4 sides of this building in the worksheet. The other couple of things I want to point out to you here are, for instance, now that we looked at that, there are missing dimensions that you'll be working with. So if you already know that this is 28 feet and you have the 6'3" and 13'9", and you're looking for B here, you would then add these two, and then whatever you get from this total, you would subtract it from the 28 feet, getting your answer. Now keep in mind that all the walls are 5 inches. So if you have a situation like this where you already know what A is because you calculated it a different way, make sure that you allow for the 5-inch wall. So when you calculate the A dimension, make sure you subtract here the 8 feet plus the 5-inch wall in order to find F. Okay, hopefully this helps you with those missing dimensions. We said that you don't have to do number 9 and 10. If you can finish 1 through 8, then you'll have a better idea of how to work with adding and subtracting dimensions.